How to mark the name field as required on Zoho forms. So how to make it mandatory that they have to fill out the name section on your form using Zoho. The first thing you want to do is go onto Zoho Forms. So you'll go onto zoho.com/forms. Then from there you can tap on Access Forms. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And let's say for example I want to edit this sign up form that I have created. So you can see it right here. Now to make the name field mandatory, all you need to do is simply select the name section. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you will see the option mandatory on the right hand column. And for example's sake, I can simply tap right where you see first, last. I can make the first and last name mandatory. And if I wanted to, I could also toggle on middle name and I could make that mandatory also. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Save in the bottom right hand corner. Now, if we were to preview it, you can see right here that the name section is currently mandatory for them to fill out to continue. So that's how you'll be able to make the name field mandatory on Zoho Forms. Hope you made